Ever wondered how blockchain technology is changing the world? Welcome to Protocol ICO. Here we make complex blockchain topics simple and relatable. In today's video, we are breaking down blockchain technology in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. Blockchain, a word we hear a lot, but what is it really? Let's break it down so that by the end of this video, you will understand what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's such a game changer. Did you know the first real purchase ever made using blockchain was for two pizzas back in 2010? Those pizzas cost 10,000 Bitcoin, worth over $300 million today. Imagine a digital neighborhood. Each house here represents a node, a computer in the blockchain network. Just like every house might keep a copy of the neighborhood rules. Each node holds a record of everything happening in the blockchain network. That way they're all on the same page. Each transaction, like Alex sends B some tokens, is recorded as a block in the blockchain. Every node adds this new block to its record book, so the whole network stays updated. But how do all the nodes agree on what gets added to the blockchain? That's where something called a consensus mechanism comes in. Think of it as a group vote. Nodes work together to decide if a new block is valid before adding it. Since every node has the same record, called a distributed ledger, it makes blockchain very secure. If one record is tampered with, the rest of the network can spot the change and correct it. Each block is also protected by a special digital code called a hash. If someone tries to change a block, its code changes too, and the network catches on right away. This is how cryptography keeps blockchain secure. So how is this useful today? Imagine buying a designer handbag. With blockchain, you can scan a code to see its entire journey from the factory to the store. This way you know it's authentic and ethically made, thanks to a secure, transparent record. These blocks create an unbreakable chain, a blockchain. Since every block is linked, it's like a digital diary that can't be erased, which makes it incredibly secure. And that's blockchain, a secure, decentralized way to keep track of things. If you'd like to learn more about blockchain, Web 3.0, and beyond, subscribe to Protocol ICO for more videos like this.